Hello children, my name's Jess. How are you today? Are you ready to start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words? Firstly, let's read some phonemes you know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This first card says oi and this one says oo. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Oi, oo, your, o, a, I, or, ow, ear. Right, going to mix the cards up. Let's read the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. You ready? Off you go. Let's check if you've got them right. Read aloud with me. A, E, I, oo, or, ow, oi, o, your, Well done, super sounds. Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is A. Read each sound as I point and blend to read the word. S, A, or sail. The ship sets sail. Let's have a look at another word. Can you spot the trigraph? Yes, the trigraph is I. Read each sound as I point and then blend it. N, I, t, night. The stars came out at night. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is E. Read each sound as I point and then blend the word. F, E, all. Feel. I can feel the cool water on my skin. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is O. Read each sound as I point and then blend it. G, O, t, goat. The goat nibbled the grass. Great reading. Right, let's mix up these words. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I'm sure you can. Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Feel, night, goat, sail. Well done. Today we're going to review some graphemes we already know. ch, k, f, sh, e and ear. Let's sound talk a word with the phonemes k and e. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. My turn first. K, e, n. K, e, n. Now your turn. K, e, n. Queen. I went to see the Queen. Let's sound talk a word with the phonemes sh and e. Copy me. Sh, e, p. Sh, e, p. Your turn. Sh, e, p. Sheep. The sheep were grazing in the field. Let's sound talk a word with the phonemes sh and ear. Copy me. Sh, ear. Sh, ear. Your turn. Sh, ear, shear. The farmer decided it was time to shear the sheep. That means the farmer cut the sheep's wool. Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Can you spot the digraphs in this word? Yes, the digraphs are ch and e. Sound out and blend. Ch, e, p. Cheap. The chick went cheap. Let's have a look at another word. Can you spot the digraphs? Yes, the digraphs are k and e. Sound out and blend. K, e, n. Queen. I went to visit the Queen. Let's have a look at another word. Can you spot the digraphs in this one? Yes, the digraphs are e and f. T, e, f. Teeth. I always brush my teeth twice a day. Let's have a look at another word. Can you spot the digraphs? Yes, the digraphs are sh and e. Sound out and blend. Sh, e, p. Sheep. The sheep were grazing in the field. Can you spot the digraphs? Yes, the digraphs are sh and e. Your turn to sound talk it. My turn. Sh, e, t. Sheet. I put a sheet on the bed. Can you spot the digraph and the trigraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is sh and the trigraph is ear. Read each sound as I point and then blend it. Sh, ear, shear. The farmer decided to shear the sheep. Great reading. I'm going to mix up these words now. I wonder if you can read the words on the cards. Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Shear, queen, teeth, sheep, cheap, sheet. Can you read these again without any help? Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Sheet, shear, queen, teeth, sheep, cheap. Well done. I'm going to mix the words up again. Just to check that you're really super at reading, can you read the words on the cards again without any help? And this time, let's see if you can be a little bit more fluent. Are you ready? Wow, amazing reading. Well done. We're now going to practice reading the tricky words they, know, go. Now, I know you know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is says a. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. A, they. Well done. Let's have a look at this word. You know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is says O. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Oh, no. Right, I know you know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is says O. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. G-O, go. Now, let's read them quickly. I'm going to mix up the words and I want you to read them aloud. Off you go. Did you get them right? Let's read them together. They, know, go. Well done. Let's read some sentences with graphemes we already know. Have a look at this one. Can you see a word with two digraphs? Yes, this word has two digraphs, the digraph Q and the digraph E. Can you see any other words with a digraph in? Yes, this word has the digraph A and this word has the digraph sh. Can you see a tricky word we already know? Yes, this word and this word are tricky words we already know. Now, I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. And remember to sound out any words you're not sure of. Off you go. Well done. Now let's read the sentence together. The Queen will sail in her ship at night. Let's read this one more time. Read the words as I point to them. The Queen will sail in her ship at night. Well done, fantastic reading. Let's have a look at the other sentence. Can you see a word with a digraph and a trigraph? Yes, this word has a digraph and a trigraph. The digraph sh and the trigraph ear. Can you see any other words with two digraphs in? Yes, this word has the digraphs ch and k. This word has the digraphs ch and e, and this word has the digraphs sh and e. They all have two digraphs. Can you see a tricky word we already know? Yes, this is a tricky word we already know, and this is a tricky word we already know. Now, I want you to read aloud as I point to the words, and remember to sound out the words that you're finding tricky. Excellent reading. Now, let's read the sentence together. The chick will go cheap and the farmer will shear the sheep. Let's read this sentence together one more time. Read the words as I point. The chick will go cheap and the farmer will shear the sheep. I wonder what sound the sheep made. Wow! Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell two words with our review sounds. Let's spell teeth. Segment the sounds with me. Teeth. E. Let's count how many sounds there are. T, E. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write teeth. Remember, I need 3 sounds. The first sound is T. The second sound is my digraph E. And the third sound is also a digraph. T, E. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Remember, there are 3 sounds. And don't forget the digraphs E and Okay, let's check that your word looks the same as mine. Did you get all 3 sounds? T, E. If you didn't, don't worry, you can change it. Okay, now let's spell queen. Segment the sounds with me. Queen. E, N. Let's count how many sounds there are. Qu, E, N. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write queen, and remember I need 3 sounds. My first sound is a digraph. My second sound is also a digraph. E. My third sound is N. Queen. Qu, E, N. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. There's 3 sounds in this word. And don't forget the digraphs, qu and E. Okay, let's check our spelling. Does your word look the same as mine? Did you remember all 3 sounds? Okay, let's spell some tricky words. We've spelled the word go before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. Go, G, O. Let's count how many sounds there are. G, O. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write go. And remember, I need 2 sounds. The first sound is G. And the second sound is the tricky bit because this grapheme makes the sound O. Go. G, O. Now it's your turn. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The sound O is written with the letter O. Write them down. Remember, there's 2 sounds. Okay, let's check our spelling. Did you get the tricky bit? Does your word look the same as mine? Make sure you've got those 2 sounds. Well done. We've spelled the word no before, so let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. No. N, O. Let's count how many sounds there are. N, O, no. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write no. The first bit's easy. But the second sound is the tricky bit because this grapheme says O. No. N, O. Now it's your turn. Say the word. Say the sounds. O. Don't forget the tricky bit. There's 2 sounds in this word. Right, let's check our spelling. Does your word look the same as mine? Did you get the tricky bit? Check your work now. Fantastic, children. You've worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. I'm so proud of you. See you soon for another lesson with letters and sounds. Bye.